What's up guys, Super Geek here. Today we're going to unbox this model car from RMZ City. I bought this car a couple of years ago, never had a chance to play with it, so I thought why not unbox it on the video and upload it on my channel. As you can see, this is the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS and it's a die-cast model and I liked it really well. I bought it for 2,000 bucks. That was a really good deal for this die-cast model, and I can see there's no specifications on the box except for these logos and these two things. The car got opening doors and it got pull back and go action. I'm not a fan of any of these, but let's see how it looks from the inside. So there you go, looks really good, and yes, it's screwed down to this cardboard. I don't know why. See, it has this matte finish on the color. It looks really good. So let me just unscrew it. What do we have? All right. Alright, so we got it out, and the car got some weight to it. Looks really good. The details are really good. I don't know what this is for. Maybe it's alright. Okay, maybe it's to showcase in your, if you have these model cars, if you are a collector, maybe it's to showcase on your case or something. The details are really good. The tires are plastic. These are all plastic, and this is rubber on top. The bottom is all plastic. These small things are plastic as well. Yes, the rear and front bumper, they are plastic, and this top thing, it's all metal, and these doors are not metal, I guess, maybe just the top part. The inside thing is all plastic. So yeah, both the doors opens up, and there are some really small details here. See, the paint job is also really good. It's matte finish and it looks really good. The insides are basically not very detailed, but it's okay for the price I bought it for. The headlamps and the tail lamps are all just colors, just paint. They're not, yep, they're just paint. But still the car looks really good. Maybe just move it. So it got some weight to it, and I don't have weighing scale, but I can tell you that it weighs about 200 grams, like maybe more than that. And other than that, there's nothing very different to this car. Looks really good. And if you are a pro collector, this may interest you because of the money. And to be very clear, I'm not any enthusiast or a pro collector or something like that, so don't nitpick small details. All right, if I miss anything, just tell me nicely, and I'll take care of them in my next videos. So that's pretty much it for the video. And by the way, if you want to buy this one for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description for you guys, so you can check it out. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.